Minimally processed foods can come in a variety of formats, the most common being dried and lightly cooked. No matter the format, the goal is always the same: to increase convenience and shelf life while altering the food as little as possible from its raw form. For dehydrated and air-dried diets, shelf life is improved by removing moisture. To begin, meat and produce are ground and blended with supplements like vitamins, trace minerals, and probiotics. Excess water is removed through either dehydrating or air drying. Dehydrating involves exposing the food to low heat for a long time. To make dehydrated foods, the meat and produce mixture is placed in an oven at a very low temperature. Warm circulating air gently evaporates most of the moisture out of the food. The finished product may be considered raw or cooked depending on the temperatures used in the processing. Once the food reaches the appropriate moisture content, it's cooled and then it's off to packaging. Air-dried foods are made more like jerky, where cooler air is circulated around the mix to draw out moisture. Once enough of the water has been removed, the air-dried food is ready for packaging. Dehydrated foods are typically reconstituted with water before serving, while air-dried foods are usually served as is, more like a dry diet. To make a higher moisture, minimally processed food that doesn't need rehydration, some manufacturers use gentle, low-heat cooking methods, such as sous vide cooking, to produce lightly cooked diets. The process of making sous vide pet food starts the same way as other minimally processed diets. Ingredients are weighed, mixed, and formed into patties. The patties are placed in plastic bags, which are vacuum sealed. The sealed bags are submerged in a bath of warm water at around 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking with such low heat destroys less of the nutrients in the food, and sealing the food in bags prevents vitamins and minerals from leaching out into the cooking water. Once the patties have reached the appropriate internal temperature, they're removed from the water bath and sent to packaging.